Welcome everyone. Today I am making white sauce pasta. So the ingredients you need for this are bell pepper, green bell pepper I took, and some olives, cheese slices, cream, and maida, which is white flour, and butter, milk. You need a chicken fillet, and you have to cut it in strips, the thin strips, and then you have to marinate it with the soya sauce, black pepper, some vinegar, salt, and some mustard paste. Mustard paste is a must ingredient for the marination as it gives the best flavor to the fillets. Even in burger you have to use it when you marinate the fillets. So now I am meanwhile my pasta is boiling and I am frying them in little oil. I don't have time as we are fasting today, so I'm making them in iftari, so I did not marinate them for a long time. I did it like for 20 minutes, and now I'm frying them because I have not much time to do all the stuff. Time to make the white sauce. I will melt some butter in the pan. White flour in it. Around 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. You have to fry it, otherwise it will leave the raw taste in maida, which is white flour. You can see the brown color now. I will add some milk just to stir it from burning. A little milk. Add some more milk, a lot of milk actually, because it will soak all the milk. Keep stirring it. I will stir it and dissolve all the lumps. The lumps are dissolved, so I added some cream in it. I'll mix it. I think it's a little thick, so I will add some more milk in it. Now I will add some bell pepper, olives, cheese slices, chicken is almost ready. Now I will cut it in the strips. Now I have added pasta in my white sauce. With that I will add some milk also, because when you put pasta it soaks all the moisture and makes it very dry. So mix it well. Cover it with the lid. For that I will add the shredded chicken. Shredded, not exactly shredded, but I have cut it with the help of a knife. So I will add it on on the top. So pasta is ready. Now I will cover it for some time and dish it out.